These routine checks prevent the most common VFFS machine stoppages. The issue is usually slow bagging, inconsistent seals, film waste and unreliable product dosing. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show film forming, dosing, sealing jaws, bag cutoff and finished pack inspection. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, film type, seal temperature, bag size, dosing method and speed define the VFFS setup. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include snacks, powders, granules, sachets and vertical form fill seal packaging projects. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label or pack format, required output and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.